Hi, Alana. I'm going to give you some feedback on your portfolio. I'm pretty sure I did this before, but I don't see the video in here. If I put a video in, please don't delete it so that I know when and uh, how I've given you feedback in the past. So for this week, you gave yourself a C. That's pretty low grade. You've given yourself, you could kind of make life easier for me if you did that. But just putting those bold. So you've really given a good um, and detailed. I mean, that's an A plus explanation for a C grade. But let's see what's happened here. You spent some time and you found a YouTube resource, generated documents. You generated all these documents. You did everything. You've got some reflections in there. That's pretty good work. It's certainly a B plus. I don't see anything particularly wrong with it. You maybe A minus, to be honest. Your personal project is listed here. I'm going to just open it up because you may have classmate AI, custom educational chatbot. Okay, so that's your goal. Yeah, okay, so that's pretty brief. Haven't spent much time on that, so I'd say that you're right. That kind of brings you a little bit down in terms of your not. It doesn't indicate significant progress, but you've made some progress and really good reflections, I have to say. Uh, in class, I'm guessing you missed in class, so this is and so there's nothing there that you did to, there is a video for each class to show you what to do when you need to catch up. But um, uh, if you don't do those activities, or you don't, it does significantly influence your grade. So you're kind of down to kind of a B there. But you've got a nice entry for your Gen AI resource. And now you're sort of a B to B plus, and you've given what you've learned and really given a good um, so you're talking about managing your time and catching up. You've got your information literacy document, which is pretty good. It's got the key aspects of it. Um, okay, so that's pretty um, strong, and so that's good. That's a good contribution. You've given a very good reflection here as well. So I would say that's solid, really. The work is solid. The only thing that you're falling behind is your project, right? It's not really a plan and about it. And then so this is in progress. Obviously, that's not. And then you've got a resource here. And then we're missing, well, it looks like we're missing week 3 and week 4, and now we're coming up to week 5. So yeah, you are in a little bit of, well, I would say not a little bit, a fair bit of trouble in terms of catching up. You're at least 2 weeks behind. I'm going to guess 3 weeks behind, and no work on your project. So I'm just giving you that feedback, and hopefully you can catch up.